But now let's move and go a little deeper on this and talk about some tools that can significantly improve your translation results. And something very interesting about this is that if you have those tools, you can use them to pre-process your files. If you don't have those tools, we have Pairaphrase that has Adobe Acrobat Pro functionalities integrated, and that will soon have some others we will talk about later. So Adobe Acrobat Pro and Abifine Reader are excellent for pre-processing documents before they even reach Paraphrase sometimes, or once you have already used the app. And I will show you two options. One of them is with this Abifine Reader I mentioned, which is really good when you have very, very bad PDFs and you need to prepare them for better results. This is the way it works. Here I am using the OCR editor. I am entering a document that is clearly a scanned document. It is the one I showed you before. And I will pre-process this document to clean it as much as possible. This is the pre-recognition of the document. But now I can ask the program to edit the image so as to improve it. We can deskew the page, we can straighten lines, we can correct trapezoid distortion, we can clean the resolution, the brightness, the contrast, remove signatures, and then we can save that document as a Word document to then be processed in Pairaphrase. This is a really good way to prepare your scanned documents before processing them in Pairaphrase. But then I also wanted to show you that in Pairaphrase, you can also download the post-OCR file. If you have translated a PDF, you can go to the download button and download the post-OCR file. That means that you will download a Word document in the original language with the formatting that resulted from the OCR working in Pairaphrase. That would allow you to prepare as well as that document. Maybe you can reduce the font, you can remove things that are not good, correct spelling mistakes, or whatever you need to make that document a little better. And then once you have the Word document already prepared, you can again translate it in Pairaphrase. Yeah. Don't worry about consuming words. I promise you will not run out of words if you do this. This is something that sometimes worries our users. So, remember, cleaner documents improve Pairaphrase results. So it is very, very important for you to have in mind that the cleaner the file, the better the OCR, the more accurate your translation in Pairaphrase will be. Take into account that Acrobat Pro and Abifine Reader are both the best engines or technologies right now available in the market to process scanned or flattened documents. Then we have this other possibility, Canva PDFs. Sometimes when you prepare content, you can use Canva. Many users choose Canva, and when you download the file, you will export PDFs as images, flattened PDFs. So remember that I showed you flattened PDFs cannot be edited. You will require an OCR. So for these files, I suggest, if you can, instead of downloading them as a PDF, try downloading them as PPTX, as PowerPoint files. That way you will be able to process those files in Pairaphrase and you will have no issues. Now that will be really, you will get really good results.